Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ines. If you're new to my channel, I have been sharing my home improvement project DIY decoration on my channel. And in this video, I am going to share with you how you can change your Samsung Bespoke Refrigerator panels. Because we've got this fridge and the delivery guy was nice enough to change the panels for us. So I think I'll share with you. This one is professionally done. I hope this video is helpful, and please comment down below and let me know if you have the same refrigerator and which panel color do you have or did you change. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumb up, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!